A product is there to solve a problem, and you need to be able to understand across all different parts of the organization whether the product that you've built, so the solution that you've created, is effectively solving the problem that you've identified. And you need observation, measurable, quantified observation. I'm Hazel, and I lead the global product analytics team at Wise. Wise has what we call autonomous teams. The idea is that we break down the product in its smallest units and give these autonomous teams the ability to execute on their priorities as quickly as possible. So the product analysts play a really key role in how those decisions actually get made. So what should we prioritize? What is the performance of the things that we have built? What are parts of the market that we still have not reached? And what is the reason for that? When any company starts serving a new customer segment, your understanding is actually quite raw. And at Wise, we've recently gone through that as well. Wise started as an international remittance company, primarily serving personal customers. But most recently, we started going after small businesses and enterprises and trying to build services to help with their cross-currency needs. And typically what happens is you start with the existing mental model that you have. So you build around what you already know. You build things that you understand, in our case, on the consumer side. And then you iterate to make sure that what you're offering to businesses is actually then adding value in a way that's different than how you would serve consumers. Previously defined event tracking as understanding customer behavior. Tools like Mixpanel and the funnels and the reports that you build within that allow you to understand where that experience is breaking and where you need to improve your learning. So one example of that recently was receiving money using Wise is a really big use case for businesses. And we've learned that when they start that job, so when they go in to receive money, they were dropping off. So it might be an intent issue, but it's highly unlikely that a business would just check out receiving or hit the receiving button just out of curiosity. When we introduced a very simple explanation screen right before the receiving job for small businesses, we saw about 5 percentage point increase in that first step drop off. When you think about the volume of customers that we have, that's actually a massive increase and a massive impact, and something that we were able to achieve with such a simple change and such a small observation that was made available really easily through Mixpanel.